Okay, but today in my country, Mimi, it's very hot. Really hot, Mimi. It's very hot in my country today. Outside, it's very hot. That's why I look at here. And you see, very hot. Okay, I will share to you the screen, Mimi. You wait me for a minute lang. Okay, I will share to you the screen now. Just a minute, Mimi. Okay. So when will be your summer vacation, Mimi? You don't need to go to school. When will be? Summer.
Can you talk again?
When will be your summer vacation?
I think it's the middle of June.
Middle of June. Middle of June, you don't have class anymore.
It's middle of the next month.
Wow, middle of the next month. No, May. May. Next month is May. Today is April. So May. In the middle of next month. Okay, so here. Okay, so we're talking here clothes, animal, and school. Okay, so here, Mimi, we have language, bracelet, and snail. Okay, so like college, the, the desert, and important. Okay, do you know the word important? Do you know that? What do you mean
Yeah,
by the word important? What is important? Oh, I will ask you.
important is a thing, things are or information is necessary for everyone or for private.
Okay, it's necessary for everyone. So it's important. It's a thing that is necessary for everyone. Okay, so this one. Please ask and answer the questions. Okay, now, what did you do last weekend, Winnie? What did you do last weekend?
Last weekend, I go to
I
the
went. It's past tense. I went to
last weekend. I went to the dance club.
dance club.
Yeah.
Oh, you know how to dance?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, so you're, and then what did you do in the dance club?
I practice the songs and I talking with my friend and I
Oh,
talk.
you practice dance. Okay, so you're very good at dancing. When did you learn to dance? When?
I learned to dance about more than 1 year ago.
1 year ago. Wow, that's very good. So you really know how to dance. What kind of dance do you usually do? What kind of dance do you usually do?
I usually dance K-pop.
K-pop. Oh, really? What is it? What is it?
The song.
Yeah, the song.
Um, right now I'm dancing the song name. Do you know the surfing?
What is it again?
Do you know the girl group on
The girl
K-pop?
group. Oh, what girl group? Blackpink?
Yes,
Okay, you know Blackpink?
yes, I
Okay, and
know.
then you dance the Blackpink songs?
Yes.
Wow, very good, Mimi. So you're good at dancing. How many are you in the dance club?
How many songs?
Yeah, how many are you?
Uh, I don't remember, but I think it's about um 6 or 7.
Oh, wow, not so many, and that's very good. Okay, so next one. Did you go somewhere? Did you go somewhere?
Uh, Last weekend I went to last weekend I went to the uh glasses store.
Okay, did you go somewhere? Okay,
Yes, I did.
in the store. What store is that?
It's the glasses store.
Glasses? Glasses? Your
My
glasses?
glasses.
This eyeglass?
Yes.
Oh, so it's just like in the clinic, eye clinic. Okay, so why? What happened to your eyes? You've got a new eyeglass? It's new?
Yes, it's new.
Wow. Teacher Ann also has a new eyeglass. I've got new eyeglass too because my daughter used to have new eyeglass like yours. She needs to wear eyeglass, my daughter. Okay. Next one. Choose one of the places and pretend you went there. How did you go there? Okay. Choose one of the places and pretend you went there. Okay. Please tell me one place that you really want to go, Mimi. Okay. Is there any place that you really want to go?
I really want to go to my hometown.
Okay. What is that hometown?
My hometown is Bavi. Can I write there?
Yeah, yeah, you're right.
I I went there by bus.
Okay, you want there? Ah, Bawi. Bawi? Is
V
Bawi?
is V, V.
Yeah. Bow. I don't know. How do you know how to read? Bowie. Bow. E
A
A
V E.
B. Ah, Bavi. Oh, how you read it? How you read it?
This Bavi.
Oh, Bavi. Okay. So it is very far.
Mm, is if we go by a car is spend 1 hours, and
Ah,
if
it
we
is.
go by a bus is about 3 hours.
Ah, oh, quite far. Quite far. Okay. So you go there by a bus. Okay. Now, what time did you usually leave at home when you go to your countryside?
In the morning, I had class at 7:13 o'clock, and
7:30. Okay, and then
I left home. So I left home at 6:13 o'clock.
you leave home at 6,
13.
6:30 in the morning. Okay, that's good. Now, what did you see? What did you see?
What did I see in my
Mm.
countryside?
Yeah, what did you see in your countryside?
Mm, in my countryside, I can see flowers, uh,
Flowers?
yeah, mountains and river.
Mountains. Wow. Okay. So it's fresh air. Okay. So you have your grandma in there? Your grandma? Your grandmother?
Mm, yes,
Your grandmother is in the countryside.
yes,
Wow. Do you miss him or her?
yes. I miss my grandfathers very much.
Oh, yes. How old are they, Mimi?
They are 70, 70,
77.
70.
Oh, 77 years old. Quite old now. Okay. Where did you have your lunch when you travel going there? Where do you have your lunch?
Mm, in a school,
In the
I
school.
I have lunch uh, at the lunch room for students, and
Oh,
sometimes I will have lunch uh, in front of my class because I'm reading.
okay. Yes. Okay. By the way, in your school, how far is your school in your house?
Mm, I usually walk to school, and my school, mm, the distance from my school to my house is 500 meters.
Okay. Very near. 500 meters. Your
Yes,
school from your house near. Okay. And you were gonna travel there by, you were gonna walk or motorcycle?
I walk to school.
Okay. Motorcycle. You travel by motorcycle?
No,
Okay. So you just walk because it's near.
yes,
Wow, that's good. Okay. So who is your best friend, Mimi? Do you have best friend in school?
I think it's yes.
How old is she?
Mm, how old is my best friend?
Yeah.
Mm, she the age of she congruent with my age.
Okay. Wow. So you have the same age.
Yes,
Okay, now look up here, Mimi. Please try to have. Okay. So you are going to hear a girl telling her grandfather about her school trip. Okay, please listen and write what you can hear, okay?
10A. Clothes, animals, and school. Listen and look. There is one example.
Grandpa, look at this picture on my phone. I took it on our school trip
Wow, it's lovely. Where did you go?
to a butterfly farm. It was brilliant there. Everything was so interesting.
Good.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write.
Which day did you go to the butterfly farm?
On Monday, we took some pictures while we were there and had to make a poster about it later in the week.
I see. Was the butterfly farm far away? Did you have to go by train?
Not this time. The driver took us there in the school bus. It didn't take very long to get there.
And were you there all day?
No, we left school at 9 o'clock. Sorry, it was 9:30.
Quite early then. Tell me more. What did you see there?
Hundreds of really beautiful insects. I loved visiting the part where they had all the butterflies, but they had a few unusual birds and other animals there too. There was a black swan. That was the most unusual thing I saw there, I think.
And did you give it something to eat?
No, they have to eat special food, Grandpa. But there was a surprise for us when my friends and I got hungry.
What do you mean?
Our teachers gave us a picnic.
Great. Did you eat your picnic outside?
Yes, next to a waterfall. It was really pretty, but you can't swim there.
Oh.
Come and look at my homework. I described everything I saw. My teacher said it was very good.
In a minute, okay? I want to make a cup of tea first.
All right.
Okay, so please, it's the butterfly farm and you went there by? Okay, day of trip, Monday. Went there by? School bus. Oh, do you have school bus in your school? Do you have school
No,
bus in school?
my school don't have school bus.
Okay. So, most unusual animal. What is that? It's the
Black swan.
most unusual animal is the black swan.
Black
Had
swan.
a picnic lunch by
A waterfall.
waterfalls. Okay. That's
It's so
very good.
relaxing.
Have you tried going to the waterfall?
Yes, it's already.
Yeah,
Oh,
where?
I go to the waterfall in my country.
Oh, really? Where? Where did you go? Where? Is it far from your house, the waterfalls?
It's near my grandmother house and
Oh, wow.
is near and it's about 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers. Okay. So now, okay. So you're gonna have here talking about the school trip. Okay, you imagine, Mimi, you're having your school trip. Okay. So here now. So we have questions. Okay. Where you write your answer, Mimi, in the chat box. Where did you go? Who did you go with? You imagine you're having your school trip. You imagine, example, or have you tried having school trip? Have you tried? Mimi, have you tried having school trip? Have you tried?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay. So if you try having school trip, please answer the questions. Oh, you write your answer in the chat box. Okay. Teacher will gonna check your spelling here. Okay?
Okay.
You tell me if you're done.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, so let me check. Number one, where did you go? Where did you go and who did you go with? Okay, so I went there with my family. Okay, I went to the, oh, wait. Okay, I went to the mountain named Bobby with my class and my teachers. Okay, so what time did you leave and how did you get there? I left home at 5 o'clock and got there by bus. Okay, very early. And then, what did you see or learn in there? What did you see? I saw the butterfly, a waterfall, and mobby trees here. Oh, what's mobby trees?
Many.
Ah, it's many trees. Okay. So did you do a project before or after the trip? I didn't do a project after the trip. Oh, what did you do after the trip?
After the trip,
Yeah.
we took a photo and and my 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 mother's and my mother say the trip is very happy.
The trip is very enjoyable. Okay, you will happy. You happy. Okay. Next one. Okay. So what was the trip like? What was the trip like?
The trip was very happy. The
The
scenes
trip.
also wonderful. This is the
Oh,
first trip that I went with my class, not with my school.
wow. That's so sweet. The trip was very happy. Now, what was the best part of the trip? What do you think is the best part of the trip? What do you think, Mimi?
The best part of the trip of the trip of the trip was we swam at the swimming pool near the hotel.
Wow, you swam at the swimming pool. Do you know how to swim?
Thing is,
You know how to swim?
if I say no, it's not no. If I say yes, it's not yes.
Ah, okay. So don't worry. Teacher Anne doesn't know how to swim too. Okay, I don't know how to swim too, Mimi. Okay, next. Would you like to go there again?
I would like to go there again because I love mountains and the beautiful scenes very, very much.
Wow, you love the mountains and the beautiful spots or the scenes very, very much. Okay, if I will ask you, Mimi, what country do you like to travel? What country? If I will
It's,
choose you one country that you want to go, what is that? What country is that?
it's the country like Korean,
Korea.
USA.
You want to go to Korea?
Yes,
Why? Why do you like to go to Korea?
because I want to see and talking with my idol.
Oh, I want to see and talk to my idol. Oh, wow, really? You want to talk to your idol?
Yes,
Okay, next one. Okay. So, who is your idol? Do you have Korean idol?
yes,
Oh, who is that?
Jisoo Blackpink.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Who is your Korean idol?
it's do you know Jisoo in Blackpink?
Yeah. Okay. You like
Yeah,
Jisoo?
she's my idol.
You like Jisoo in the Blackpink?
Yeah, she's so beautiful.
Oh, you like Jisoo in the Blackpink. Wow. Okay, so here another one. Okay, so this one, please try to write here ni. Wait, hangit ni ha. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, so in reading, so please try to choose the correct answer for this one. Okay, so you have questions and you have answers. You choose answers in the color green. The words outside the box. And you will gonna write here. Okay? In your music lesson, you might listen to people playing this. What is the answer?
My answer is instruments.
Very good. Women and girls wear this when they go swimming. Women and girls wear this when they go swimming.
Swimsuits.
Okay, it's swimsuits. Birds and butterflies use this to help them fly high in the air.
Wings.
Wings. Okay. These are the words and ways people speak in different countries of the world. Different parts
Languages.
of the world. It is
Languages.
languages. Very good. This is perhaps the best animal to ride if you want to cross the desert.
Is a camel.
Yeah, it's camel because it's only camel who can survive in the desert, in the hot countries. Okay, so in this subject, you might learn how metals change when they get hot. What subject is this?
How um, how metals
What subject?
they get. Science.
Okay, it's science. Let me see. Very good. Okay. Next one. So there's a soft coat that animals like rabbits and kittens have on their bodies. There's a soft coat that animals like rabbits and kittens have on their bodies.
Fur.
Okay, it is
Fur.
okay, the fur. Okay. Okay, next one. If you're wearing jeans, you can put your key or phone in this.
A pocket.
Okay, it is a pocket. Older students go to this place to learn subjects like history and geography.
Yes.
Okay, it is college. Okay, college. It's a place where you can learn history and geography. A king might wear this on his head when he is with other important people. What do you think is
A
this?
crown.
It is
A crown.
a crown. Okay, so it's the crown that the king will gonna wear. Okay, the crown. The king will gonna wear a crown. Okay,
Crown.
so Mimi, we don't have time for now. So I hope I can see you next week. Okay, what time we can see each other next week? Till Sunday, right? Sunday?
I think yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna have class on Sunday. Okay, so Mimi, thank you so much for today. So teacher and we'll see you on Sunday at 1 p.m. again. Okay,
Okay.
good enough, Mimi?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay. Thank you so much, Mimi, for today. I hope I can see you on
Sunday.
Sunday. Okay. So bye, Mimi, and see you on Sunday. Thank
Bye-bye,
you so much for
teacher.
today.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye-bye.